Welcome guys, today I'm with INFINIX Smart 6HD and I'm going to show you a few camera tips and tricks. So when you open the camera, we'll be in the capture option, in the capture mode, and we can tap on the screen once, and when this sun icon shows, we can adjust the brightness level. So we can decrease or increase brightness. You can make it automatically by tapping on the screen once. And this option works also in the other modes, like for example in the video mode and for example in the beauty mode or portrait mode. As you can see, it appears right here. So when you go forward for another option, when you tap right here, we can find different filters. As you can see, they change color and the temperature of our photo. So for example, if you want to take photo with this mode, just select and then click on the shutter. You can just go back to the original if you want to get the normal look of your photos. Another option that will be useful for you, you'll find it in the settings. So you have to tap on this icon, and right now just take a look. We can enable the touch photography. So right now we can just tap on the screen with one finger and the photo will be taken. And right now when you are in this photo with the option with taking photos, we can also take photos by using the volume buttons, volume up and down, take a look, and with our shutter. Okay, let's go back for the settings, because we can also enable zoom feature. So we can switch from the volume buttons, shutter to zoom, and right now you can click and hold the volume button to zoom in and volume down to zoom out. And when you go back for the settings for another time, we can also enable camera shutter delay. So we can get it between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Let's pick for example 3 seconds. Let's take photo, and after this shutter countdown, as you can see, the photo will be taken. Okay, and that's all for this device. All tips and tricks for the camera on INFINIX Smart 6HD. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.